You know that a man can get in a serious trouble. People they don't help a man. I don't know why. Because sometimes guys it's very difficult to be a man. To be a woman is better. A woman you can get help very fast than men. Men are struggling, guys, especially nowadays. There is no jobs or what. Sometimes a woman, you know that life can be easy to a woman because a woman can have or a sugar daddy support her, give her money. A woman can get help fast than a man. Even a man, when men they complain or they are being abused in relationship, when a man talks about it, people they are starting laughing at him. They are start laughing at him that he is being abused. People they are starting making fun with him, especially men, guys. Men they don't have a voice sometimes. Those people, guys, they are being hating, but they don't have voice because when they are starting talking about it, people they start laughing. But when it comes to a woman, they take it serious sometimes. That's why you saw some of the men they commit suicide. They commit suicide just because they don't have voice. They don't have anyone maybe who can help them fast sometimes.